Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Morning traders, how are you? It is Wednesday the 22nd of June and as always guys, I would love to hear from you. So please leave a comment or how one of your trades went, how your trading week's going, or if you've got a question about anything. All right guys, so yeah, as usual guys, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at today's important news, guys. All right, so yeah, let's get started. Let's look at yesterday's trades first of all. So there were two potential trades, guys. There was firstly this one. This was the pound against the Canadian dollar, and we were looking to long, we were looking to buy this market. Okay, so the reasons for looking to buy this market were as follows. So price was in a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. But then price shot back up with this huge bullish candle, breaking these highs here. Okay, so for me, we now have a higher high. So trend has changed, guys. Yes, we're now looking for buy positions. Okay, and the idea was when price come back down to this grey zone, was to buy it and come back up to this blue line, or even this blue line here, guys, as well. Okay, but let's look at H1 to see if we actually could get in on this trade. So guys, yeah, we couldn't really get in on this trade for me, guys. All right, so by the time, yeah, I look at trading as around here, and price did come down into our grey zone. And we had a number of bullish candles. So we had sort of this one. Okay, so they're bullish candles, but a couple of things. Firstly, the wicks, guys. The wicks on these candles are just too large. Yeah, tells me that price has reacted and wants to come lower, actually. And we'd broken this area of support here, guys. So this H1 support was acting as a good zone for price to react at, but it actually broke this zone. All right, so for all of those reasons, guys, I stayed out of this trade. Yeah, H1 had broke, and these wicks on all of these candles, yeah, did not give me the confidence to take this price higher, guys. Okay, so I simply didn't have a trade on this pair yesterday, guys, for those reasons. All right, but again, let me know how you traded this pair. Okay, so that was the first trade idea from yesterday. Let's look at the second one. So the second one was this, guys. This was the Aussie dollar against the New Zealand dollar, and we were looking to short this pair for the following reasons. So price was in an uptrend. Okay, we had higher highs, higher lows, but then we didn't create a higher high. Okay, as always, this tells me price is breaking down, and then eventually these lows were broken as well. Okay, and we had this huge bearish candle followed by another bearish candle. So the idea was just to take price back down to this blue line from one of our grey zones. Okay, let's look at H1, guys, for execution. We did actually have a trade on this one, so let's have a look. So guys, yeah, this was our grey zone, and price did retrace to this grey zone here, but again, this was just too early for me. Okay, it wasn't until this candle here, right? This candle here told me sellers had fully taken control of this market. Okay, I actually got in on this candle here, guys. I entered at the close of this candle. I put my stop above this these last swing highs, this grey zone, and then I took 80% of the trade back down to these last lows here, guys. Okay, I got a risk reward of pretty much 1:1. So I closed 80% once it got down to these lows. Okay, but then as you can see, price shot back up and eventually ended up taking out my stop. This candle here actually took out my stop. Okay, but I'd already made a nice profit with the 80%, but then 20% was taken out, guys. All right. Yeah, so that was a good trade for me. A little bit of profit I made. There was this candle as well, guys. Yeah, that happened at our zone. This would have been a good entry candle, but for me, when price reacted at this grey zone, yeah, I wanted price to break these lows. Okay, break these lows. Okay, so price would carry on down, but price didn't break these lows and instead reacted very strongly at these lows. Okay, so although this was a good entry candle, yeah, this second red candle here, yeah, the fact that we didn't break these lows sort of kept me out of re-entering this trade. Okay, and I'm glad I did. All right, but again, you would have got stopped out. But price now, guys, is in an interesting area. So we've got these last lows here that have literally just been hit. We had a bit of a reaction, but like I say, guys, I want to wait for the European and UK Open to get a bit of follow through on this move. But price could well react at this zone and come back down. All right, guys. But yeah, but we made a small profit on this pair. I hope you did too, guys. Let me know if you did. All right, guys. So those were the two trade ideas for yesterday. Let's look and see what we have for today. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's recap, then please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the channel. And also come join us. Subscribe to Simply Forex and smash that notification button. That way you'll receive an alert every day. Right, guys, so trades for Wednesday, the 22nd of June. There aren't any, guys. I haven't had a setup. I looked at all the currency pairs that I trade. There's a lot that are oversold or overbought, or we have a strong candle, but it's not with the daily trend. Yeah, I just couldn't find a setup today, guys. But we will have days like this. But remember, no setup, no trade. It's as simple as that, guys. So yeah, no trades for today, guys. So let's take a look at the moves now. Guys, if you're enjoying this daily morning analysis and would like to receive it every single day, Monday to Friday, then please subscribe to the channel and smash the notification button. That way you'll receive an alert every day. Okay, so news for Wednesday, the 22nd of June. Okay, so nothing overnight of any importance. But if we carry on down, guys, as you can see, it's 7 o'clock London GMT, coming out of the UK. Our first 3-star rating is CPI, which is basically inflation, guys. So all eyes are on inflation at the moment. Okay, so this could really move any pound pair. Okay, so must be aware of that, guys. If we carry on down, the next piece of important news that we're looking at today is this: at 1:30 London GMT, 3 stars coming out of Canada, and it's more CPI data. So again, all eyes on inflation. So this could really move any Canadian dollar pair. All right, and if we carry on down, the last piece of news for us today at 2:30 London GMT, coming out of the US, we've got Fed Chair Powell testifying. All right, guys, so when he speaks, he could obviously move, yeah, pretty much any currency pair. Okay, so again, must be aware of him speaking then. All right, guys, so yeah, that's the news for today. If you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe, like, and share with your trader friends. I hope you have a great trading day, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.